Mia, you want to come in out? What are you doing in there? Is it the end of the world? Are you stuck in there forever? Is it the end of the world, Lily? Is it the end of the world? You're dying? You're stuck in there forever? You're stuck in there forever? Good girl, you can do it. You can do it. I don't know if she makes noises like Naomi has got to stop moving. It's at the end of the world still. She made noises with her mouth open. Uh-oh. What's that noise? You have to get out? You have to get out? Oh no! Oh no, Lily! Are you stuck in there? I know what's going on. Who's there? Who's here? Who is that? Is that how you ask to get left out? Really? We should go hide again. Lily, where's Naomi? Where's Naomi? Where's Naomi? Naomi has got to stop. She's gonna die.
She needs to just beat Lily up. If Lily tears that bed up, she gets it.
Oh my god, what is that?
What?
She's chewing on the bed. She's mad.
I know. I take care of this, I can't hear.
No, leave it.
There's a bone going in there.
No.
Oh, yeah.
She's a little brat. Lily, how's that bed taste? Lily, how's the bed taste? She doesn't move. Lily, how's that bed taste? She's so mad. How's the bed taste? She is so mad. Leave a bone outside of the crate. Are you done, Lily? No, you done? He's just hiding in the back. No, Merce, what are you doing, girl?
Stop that.
Naomi, what are you doing? What?
Come on.
Say bye-bye, Lily. You gonna let them out?
No. We'll finish this and then they'll go back outside. And
Okay.